Ijoma, call it off.
I will not call it off.
I said call it off.
You call it off.
Ijoma, you belong to me.
Lie.
Ijoma,
you lie.
Ijoma, you chest me, oh.
So what's happened? What you go to?
Ijoma,
what you go to, guys?
Ijoma, you get chest.
You get chest.
You get chest.
You get chest.
You get.
Okay, you get chest. You get chest.
My country people, this latest news is not looking good at all. As late Junior Pope's wife Jennifer don finally unfollow Ruby Orjiakor. The reason for this nobody knows yet, but the way internet just dey move ever since Ruby Orjiakor posted that video of Babarex and dragged Adam Maluk, and Adam Maluk posted on her IG story saying allegedly, say if the world know wetin Ruby Orjiakor and Junior Pope they do, the world will hate Ruby Orjiakor. Ever since then, na so attention come divide. Some people come they support Ruby Orjiakor, some people know they support am again. Say, what if there is sense in what Adam Maluk is saying? Omo, why you now want drag this Ruby Orjiakor? Why? Why are you guys head bent on tarnishing her image? Wetin happen? Is it a bad thing to be a friend with somebody, to be a tight friend of somebody? We all know that when Junior Pope was alive, him and Ruby Orjiakor were very close friends, more like besties. And we don't hear any negativity or any negative story. Even the wife was there, like the family were more like family friends, you understand? And now where Junior Pope don't die, a lot of controversial statements where we no understand can they fly up and down. Now this woman don't follow this girl now. She wanna go rest. Some of Ruby's fans don't they wish say if to say Ruby no, she for no post that video. So ever since she post that video, now so she draw a lot of negativity around her. I don't even know what to talk again, cause internet just the catch fire. Anywhere you go is Ruby this, Ruby that. I just tire. My own be say make everybody free this girl. We all know it's not easy to lose somebody, especially somebody that you love, and on top of them, people can they drag you for wetin you know nothing about. I beg, make una free Ruby Orjiakor. Ruby Orjiakor now that one kind friend everybody need to have. I'm still saying it. She's indeed a good friend of Junior Pope. You people dragging her now doesn't make sense. I beg. I be my people waiting on a thing. Drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more Obenge news with the tutorial. But una see they do for my page. For my page, no dormant at all. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Richest TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. See, they give me one kind of encouragement to continue. And don't forget to click the link on my bio. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I beg, support your head girl. You know they easy to they bring gist all the time. You know they easy. If it easy, make you run down. I beg, I dey beg una. Okay, now stay safe out there. See you guys on my next episode. Bye.